Hello everyone! Welcome to Fresa Technologies. In this video, we will guide you through the process of applying for your MPCI Party ID through the NAIC portal. Step 1. Open your browser and visit the NAIC registration portal. Log in to the portal and select one or more roles that match your business activities. If your company acts as both a shipping line and a shipping agent, you may create separate registrations for each role if required. If your company operates as both a freight forwarder and a shipping agent, you can register once and select both roles during the registration process. Make sure you choose the correct options based on your company's business activities. For further assistance, please contact us or refer to the NAIC Portal Company Registration Guide. On this page, we explain when registration and filing for your MPCI Party ID is not required. Registration is not necessary if you are a freight forwarder with no legal presence in the UAE and no delegation from a local freight forwarder. It is also not required if your represented office is not liable for filing, or if you are a freight forwarder not handling sea or ocean freight. Finally, registration is not needed if you are a local or overseas shipping agent without delegation from a shipping line to file on their behalf. Let's get started with completing your company details. First, complete the form in the registration wizard. Next, select your TRN status and enter the required license and registration details. Be sure to upload all necessary supporting documents. Then, add and assign the authorized person who will handle MPCI-related activities on behalf of your company. After that, enter the official email ID and contact number for all MPCI communications. Finally, provide the admin user information for the person responsible for managing the MPCI account. Once all details are entered, review the information carefully and proceed to the next step to complete your registration. Once your registration is approved, you will receive a confirmation message. Your MPCI Party ID will be generated and sent to the admin email address. This ID is required for submitting cargo information before loading, as per UAE regulations. You can now start using the NAIC portal for filing. This completes the MPCI Party ID registration process. If you need any assistance, please contact us. Thank you for watching.